Hello friends, good morning. We will discussing important questions for BAMS, CIE, PGT, next exam, AMO exam, Ayush PSC state wise, MD and MS entrance, MPH and MHA, all Ayurveda competitive exam, important MCQs. Let's start. Myself, Dr. Revan Siddhaya Swami. Let's start. Which of the following not included in Trikatu Mishtaka Gana? Options are Shunti, Pipali, Maricha and Lavanga. Correct answer is option D, Lavanga. Next question, Piper nigrum is a Latin name of. Options Amlaki, Ashoka, Pipali, Maricha. If you know the answer, write in the comments. Correct answer is option D, Maricha. What is the botanical name of Pipali, Ashoka and Amlaki? If you know, write in the comments. Next question, what is the botanical name of Amlaki? Options are Embelica officinalis, Terminalia cebula, Ficus lacure, Tinospora cardifolia. Correct answer is option A, Embelica officinalis. What are the common name of Terminalia cebula, Ficus lacure and Tinospora cardifolia? If you know, write in the comments. Next question, family name of Nimba medicinal plant. Options are Acanthaceae, Solanaceae, Menispermaceae, Meliaceae. Correct answer is option D, Meliaceae. What is the botanical name of Nimba? If you know, write in the comments. Next question, total numbers of the chapters in Charaka Samhita Sharirasthana. Options are 30, 12, 8 and 16. If you know the correct answer, pause the video and write in the comments. Correct answer is option C, 8 chapters. Okay, important is in Charaka Samhita we have total 120 chapters and 8 sthanas. What are the 8 sthanas? Sutra sthana, Nidhana sthana, Vimana sthana, Sharira sthana, Indriya sthana. And in Uttara Tantra we have, in Uttarardha we have Chikitsa sthana, Kalpa sthana and Siddhi sthana. Okay, in Sutra sthana we have 30 chapters, Nidhana sthana we have 8 chapter, Vimana sthana 8 chapter, Sharira sthana 8 chapter, Indriya sthana 12 chapters. Okay, in Uttarardha Chikitsa sthana we have 30 chapters, Kalpa sthana 12 chapters and Siddhi sthana 12 chapters. Total 120 chapters. If you have any questions regarding Charaka Samhita, you can ask in the comments. Next question, total commentaries available on the Charaka Samhita. Okay, options are 17, 30, 43, 120. Correct answer is 43 commentaries have been available on the Charaka Samhita. Okay, out of 43, 17 are the Sanskrit commentaries. Next question, Charaka Chandrika commentator. Who is the commentator of Charaka Chandrika? Options are Jajjata, Naradatta, Gayadasa, Chakrapani. If you know the correct answer, tell me in the comments. Correct answer is Gayadasa, written in 11th century. Okay, what is the commentary written by Jajjata Acharya, Naradatta and Chakrapani? If you know, write in the comments. Next question, Samanya Guna, numbers are explained in Charaka Samhita, Sutra Sthana chapter 1. Total numbers of Samanya Guna. Options are 10, 20, 30 and 41. How many Samanya Gunas explained by Chakrapani Acharya? Correct answer is 30. Okay, if here you are asked, okay, according to Ayurveda, total numbers of Guna according to Ayurveda 41. According to, okay, Charaka Acharya also 41. According to Chakrapani Acharya, okay, here total numbers are 41. And in that, okay, Samanya Guna and Vishesha Guna and Atma Gunas are, okay, different. Samanya Gunas, okay, including complete, okay, Guruvadi Guna and Paradi Gunas. Okay, Guruvadi Gunas are the 20 and Paradi Gunas are 10. But according to Chakrapani Acharya, okay, all are included in Samanya Guna. So correct answer is option C, 30. Next question, total Kashaya Yonis explained in Charaka Samhita Sutra Sthana chapter 4th. Options are 2, 3, 4 and 5. Correct answer is 5. Okay, 5 Kashaya Yonis explained by Charaka Acharya. Exception is here, Lavana Kashaya Yonis not accepted by Charaka Acharya. Reference is Charaka Samhita Sutra Sthana 4th chapter. Next question, Triphala included in dashed Dravya explained in Charaka Samhita Sutra Sthana 2nd chapter. Triphala included in Vamana Dravya, Virechana Dravya, Anuvasana Dravya, Nasya Dravya. Correct answer is Triphala are included in Virechana Dravya. What are the Triphala? If you know, write in the comments. Next question, total Shamya Trivrutta Virechana Yogas explained in Charaka Samhita. Options are 133, 110, 48, 39. Correct answer is 110 Yogas explained by Charaka Acharya. Okay, it is explained in the Charaka Samhita Sutra Sthana 4th chapter also and in Charaka Samhita Kalpa Sthana 1st chapter are the reference. Next question, total number of Mahakashaya Dashamaniya Gana explained in Jivaniya Varga. Options are 6, 4, 7, 3. Correct answer is 6 Ganas. Okay, 6 Ganas have been explained in Jivaniya Dashamaniya Varga. What are the 6 Jivaniya Gana? If you know, write in the comments. Next question, total number of Sneha Pravicharaniya Yogas. Reference is Charaka Samhita Sutra Sthana 13th chapter. Options are 10, 24, 64, 25. Correct answer is option B, 24 Sneha Pravicharana explained by Charaka Acharya. Next question, best Anupana advised along with the Vasa and Majja. Okay, Vasa and Majja are the 2 Sneha Dravyas. What are the Anupana? Options are Ushna Jala, Yusha, Manda and Grata. Okay, if you know the answer, write in the comments. What is the best Anupana for Vasa and Majja? Correct answer is, okay, Manda. We know total 4 Sneha Dravyas. Okay, Sneha Dravyas are 4. They are the Taila, Grata, Vasa and Majja. What is Anupana for the Taila? Is a Yusha. For Kruta, Ushna Jala. And for Vasa and Majja, best Anupana is Manda. Okay. Next question, total number of Prameha Pidika explained in Charaka Samhita Sutrasana 17th chapter. If you know the answer, write in the comments. Options are 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. According to Charaka Acharya, totals Prameha Pidikas are 7. According to Sushruta Acharya, Prameha Pidikas are 10. Okay. If you have any questions in the Charaka Samhita, Shushru Samhita and in the Ashtanga Hridaya, okay, you can ask in the comments. If you like our explanation, like and share this video to your friends and subscribe to our channel and join our membership. Okay, join our membership. You will get all the previous year question papers and all the important MCQs we will discuss in our members only. If you first time visited our channel, please like this video and subscribe to our channel and join our membership. Myself, Dr. Revan Siddhya Swami, signing off. Thank you one and all. If you want all upcoming BAMS, CIA, PGT, next exam, AMO exam, all Ayurveda competitive exam updates, join our membership and be connected with us. Thank you one and all.